Okay, it's the last one for the day. Getting a little tired. I had to work this morning, so work, study, work, study, work, study, all that crap, right? All right, so this is section 8, problem number 9, SOA problem. Actually, I don't even know the answer, but who cares? The auto insurance policy will pay for damage to both the policyholder's car and the other's driver's car in the event that the policyholder is responsible for an accident. The size of the payment for the policyholder's car is X and has the marginal distribution of 1. For X is between 0 and 1. Given that X is equal to little x, the size of the payment for damage to the other driver's car, Y, has a conditional distribution of 1, where Y is between X and X plus 1. If the policyholder is responsible for the accident, what is the probability that the payment for damage to the other driver's car will be greater than 0.5? That will be greater than 0.5. So, greater than 0.5, I don't know. I said under, greater than 0.5. So, we're given this. Let's find the joint, and we can find the joint of x and y. Based on that, it will be the condition, right? And both of them are 1, which means that our joint will be 1. And both of them are uniform, so our joint will be uniform as well. So they gave to us like that, which is awesome, because all we want to know is the probability that y is greater than 0.5, okay? And y is the other person's property. Okay, so x lies between 0 and 1, and y is this, 1 and beyond. Let's see. X lies between 0 and 1. If they're equal to each other, right, x and y, they have this right here. We know that y is between this line, it's above this line. But it's less than this line. If it was at 0, I mean, it has to be somewhere here. But it can go all the way up to 2. Here. So, the area we want is this area. But our condition is that y is greater than 0.5. Right? I'm not a great drawer. Maybe I'll bring it further down. Because 5 is like right about here. And we want to know all this area here. Now, there is no quick way to do an integration of this particular way here. I mean, just by looking at it. So, thankfully, we do know what the joint is, and the joint is a 1. But let's do the complement. Let's find this area, and then 1 minus that area, and then we can find the probability we're looking for. So we can say this is 1 minus the probability that y is less than or equal to, who cares, 0.5, and we can find that through the joint. Let's go ahead and use the joint. PDF is 1. So let's use 0 to x, so we're looking at x first, y second. So we're 0 to x is equal to y, and then this will be from 0 to 0.5. And Sorry, I'm a little tired today, but this should work. Right, so let's integrate that. That'll just be an x there, right? And then we're integrating it between 0 and y, right? Then we just go ahead and just throw that in there. This will be y dy, and then we integrate that, right? Which is 0.5 squared over 2. And whatever that number is will be the probability of this being greater than that. And that will be the answer. I got 7/8. Problem looked like 7/8.